Get ready for the heat with these tasty treats. Today we're sharing some delicious and healthy kitchen ideas to help you unleash your creativity and awaken your senses. We have 3 colorfully fresh smoothie recipes and we saved the best for last, so stick around and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's get started with a nourishing and refreshing treat. Packed with nutrients, lots of flavor, and topped with crushed cookies, it's sure to satisfy your senses, boost your energy, and kickstart your day. Load your blender up with these delicious ingredients. Start with some oats, granola, peanut butter, banana, curd or vegan milk, chocolate and chocolate chip cookies, while not forgetting the special ingredient, a proportionate amount of hemp seeds. Then add a little ice, blend and enjoy. If your inner child is longing for playtime, paint the glass from inside with melted chocolate and decorate the smoothie with nuts and seeds. We had loads of fun making it, and we're sure you will too. Our second smoothie is a light, fresh and deliciously fruity idea. Unpack your curiosity and play with ingredients that bring out the best in you. We've sprinkled supplement powders for an especially healthy boost, and let you choose your own experiment with tangy fruit syrups such as kumquat or tamarind. Then top it off by adding trail mix and an orange-infused chocolate. It's delicious! Alright, we've saved the healthiest smoothie for last. A low-calorie, with high-vitality special. Whether you need a treat, a light snack or a boost, this smoothie can offer it all. Take a break. Take a breath. Take a sip and relax. Don't forget that life is good, and nature offers a remedy for almost everything. Are you ready to blend? All of today's recipes and ingredients can be found by following the links in the description below the video. So get started and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. If you have the time, leave us a comment about which smoothie was your favorite. See you next time.